Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the Assistant Professor vacancies notification in one of the Arts and Science College. And for this positions, there is no written test and no application fee. Directly you can go for the interview. That means the selection is going to be done by the walk-in interview process. And the UGC NET and PhD is not mandatory or the necessary for this one. If you don't have the UGC NET and PhD also, then you can apply or attend for this walk-in interview. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And it is the Apollo Arts and Science College in the Chennai. The assistant professors, associate, and for the professor also the vacancies are announced here. From the departments computer science, commerce management, visual communication, physics, psychology, criminology, English, public administration, mathematics, chemistry, Tamil, political science, microbiology and the statistics. So for all these departments, the assistant professor, associate and the professor recruitments, the positions are announced. Preferences will be given to the NET or SLET or PhD candidates. That means preference will be given, but if you don't have the UGC NET or SLET or PhD, then you people can attend to this walk-in interview, guys. Also apply fresh or experienced candidates. So the excellent salary, a PF and the free bus will be provided. Walk-in is on the 12th, 13th and 14th October 2020. Morning 9 AM to 6 PM, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Venue is the Apollo Engineering College near Queensland, Chennai. And here the mail ID is also given here. So if you're having any queries regarding these jobs, you may put your query through this mail ID. And I will show you the official website of this college also. So it is the official website of the Apollo Arts and Science College. Okay, so here the contact numbers are also given here. So if you're having any queries regarding this announcement, then you may contact for the Apollo Arts and Science College. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay. So it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.